Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan for antenna channels on your LG TV. So I have my antenna connected. Let's go to settings right here. Then go to settings. Then under this page here we want to go to general. Then go on down to channels. Then let's go to channel tuning. Then we can select manual tuning or auto tuning. I'm going to go to auto tuning and tune and save available channels automatically. Then it shows me a picture here, and let's go to start. And it's auto tuning all my different antennas channels. And currently right now I have 0 channels found out of like 28%. So it's going through all these different channels listed right here. And you can skip this or view the details if you want. So 7 channels found at the moment. So I should be able to find quite a bit of channels. I think I'll probably get about maybe like 29 channels. On my other TV, I can get about 37 channels, I think, total. So I think I can do better if I change the position of my antenna. So it's going through all these different channels right here. It's going through the antenna DTV, and then it's doing the antenna TV channels. And then it looks like we're going to be doing the cable channels too if we have a cable box or anything connected right here. So I'm kind of getting bad results here. I should be getting a lot more channels overall. And I don't have a cable box connected, so I could probably just skip all this stuff right here. It says if you skip, some channels will not be tuned, and those channel information may not be available in the guide. Well, I don't have cable, so I'm going to go and just skip this. So I got 11 channels found, and it looks like I got a bunch of LG channels, so I think I can do better than this. I'm going to go ahead and just retry this at a later point, but I can just go to done now, and then I can switch on over to the input for my channel. So let's go to this list right here. I can see live TV antenna channels, and let's see if I got anything under here. So I got just the local news, and it's coming in quite blurry, so definitely got to change the position of my antenna. I think I have it just like stuck behind my TV. I'm going to put it in the window and try that one more time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.